everyone, welcome back to RapidDirect channel. I'm Nuna, and in today's video, we are exploring the materials used in vacuum casting. Vacuum casting is a process that relies heavily on polyurethane resins to mimic the properties of engineering plastic or rubber, and their properties can be fine-tuned to suit specific needs. Here, I will introduce 8 main types of materials used in vacuum casting. First up, ABS-like materials. These are the all-rounders of vacuum casting. They offer great toughness, rigidity, and impact resistance, and they are easy to work with too. Depending on your requirements, the formulation can be customized. For instance, ABS-like PO8260 is ideal if you need high wear resistance and flame retardancy. Or there's ABS-like PO8150, which provides excellent abrasion resistance, perfect for demanding industrial environments. Next, PP-like materials, lightweight, flexible, and impact resistant. These are designed to mimic poly property. They are perfect for parts that need to bend without breaking, like slam fit assemblies, leaving hinges, or flexible components. Now, let's talk about PC-like materials. Known for their excellent dimensional stability, PC-like resins are easy to mold into complex shapes. They are strong and durable. A great choice for applications where high strength is essential, like protective housings. Moving on to nylon-like materials, these lean more toward functional use. Compared to ABS or PP-like materials, they offer superior mechanical strength and heat resistance that makes them ideal for structural or load-bearing parts that must endure stress or temperature fluctuations. Need a clear or glassy finish? Check out PMMA-like materials. These mimic the transparency, hardness, and rigidity of acrylic. They are commonly used for light covers, display components, or transparent casings. Next, rubber materials, and we've got 2 main subcategories, TPO and rubber-like resins. TPO is flexible, elastic, and wear-resistant. It's often used for soft prototypes, seals, or even as a substitute for silicone in some applications. Another option is rubber-like materials, such as T0387, which is highly elastic, transparent, and cures well. It's a great fit for parts that need significant flexibility or strength. Finally, we have composite-like materials. These are mixed. By blending different polyurethane bases or adding fillers like glass fiber, carbon powder, or menthol practice, you can get some pretty unique combinations. You can create parts that are rigid yet tough, transparent but colored, or even have customer surface textures. If you've got specific performance or appearance goals, composite materials are a good way out. Choosing the right vacuum casting material can be tricky, but that's what we are here for. At RapidDirect, our engineers are ready to help you find the best fit materials and cost-effective solutions for your project. Reach out to us for a free consultation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights from the RapidDirect team. See you next time. Bye!